Hello viewers, welcome to this video demo where I am going to show you how to install Google Antigravity step by step. To download and install Google Antigravity, you need to visit this link. The link is in the description. When you visit the Antigravity website, you are going to see Experience Lift Off with the Next Generation IDE. Antigravity is IDE Integrated Development Environment. It is an AI integrated development environment. And if you scroll down, you can learn more. So you can see the demo and see the demo here. And also see Google Antigravity is our agent development platform, evolving the IDE into the agent's first era. It is an era that enables you to develop with AI. You can see an AI IDE core. You can see it. You can read more about it. High-level abstraction, cross-surface agent, user feedback. So it will give you a real-time user feedback, an agent-first experience. You can also build for developers for the agent-first era. You can use it as a front-end developer to build the UI of your web application. You can also use it as a full-stack developer for full-stack developer as well. You can read more about it. We also have enterprise developer. So whether you're an enterprise developer, Antigravity is for you. If you want to learn more about Antigravity, guys, you can visit the website and learn more about it. You can also read the latest blog to know more about it. So let's download it, guys. If you want to download it, you need to click the download here. So when you click on the download, you are going to see download Google Antigravity for your platform. I'm using Windows. I'm going to download it for Windows. But if you are using Mac, you can select your download here for Mac operating system and also for Linux. I'm downloading for Windows 64-bit. So I hit download. Okay, I have already downloaded it, guys. You can see duplicate download, so I don't want to download it again. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel the download. If you have not downloaded it, you need to download it. Okay, I'm going to cancel the download. This is the folder where I downloaded Antigravity. You can see it is less than 170 MB. To install it, I'm going to launch the installation wizard, guys. I double click the download. This is the installation wizard. So let me minimize this. So minimize this so that we can concentrate on the installation wizard. I'm going to select accept, click next. Here you can select the location where you want to install it. Okay, so I'm going to allow the default location, which is app data/local program Antigravity. So I'm going to click next. So you can also select a start menu folder, but I'm going to allow the default. So I'm going to click next. I click next. You can see select additional tasks you would like to perform while installing Antigravity. Then click next. I'm going to add it to the desktop. You can also check open with Antigravity section to Windows Explorer file context menu. So if you check this, just like VS Code, if I right click on the desktop, show more, you can see open with code. If you want to see this kind of option with Antigravity, you need to check this one, add open with Antigravity. You can also allow the default add to path. Okay, so that you can be able to access Antigravity anywhere in the command line. Okay, so you can access it in the command line by checking add to the path. I check all the checkbox and click next, confirm the setup and click install. So you need to wait for it to finish installing. So the installation is ongoing, guys. You can see the installation has finished, guys. If you want to launch it, you can check this launch Antigravity and click finish. Let us see the interface. I'm going to check launch and click finish. If you are launching for the first time, you need to allow from the firewall. So I click allow. So this is it, guys. Welcome to Antigravity. Let me click next. Choose setup flow. If you want to import your setting from VS Code, you need to import it, but I'm going to start fresh, guys, since it is the first time I'm installing it. So let me understand the interface first. I click next. Then I'm going to select dark theme, guys. So I prefer using dark theme. I select it, but you can select a theme from here. Click next. How do you want to use anti-gravity agent? Select one for the option below. I'm going to select the recommended one, guys. Okay, remember I'm installing it for the first time, so I need to study the interface before any further customization. I'm going to go with the default and click next, guys. Now it is asking to configure your editor setting below. I'm going to select normal for key bindings and also extension. I will use the recommended extensions. So I'm going to click next. So you need to sign in to Google to access anti-gravity. So I'm going to sign in with my Google. It open a browser. So you need to authenticate with the browser, guys. So it is loading. From here, I need to select my email address. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to select sign in. So you can see Google Antigravity, you have successfully authenticated. So I'm going to open Antigravity. Let me minimize the browser. You can see Antigravity terms of use. You need to accept their terms of use and click next. And here we have it, guys. Do you see that the UI look like VS Code, guys? You can see that the UI look like VS Code. So if I open VS Code, let me quickly open VS Code, guys. If you compare the UI with VS Code, guys, you can see it resembles VS Code. If you're already using VS Code and any other text editor, you can easily navigate around the anti-gravity as well. Okay, so this is how it look like for the first launch, guys. This is the first launch of anti-gravity. So, and this is VS Code. They have similar interface. So let me close VS Code, and from here, because I have already used VS Code in the past, I can easily navigate around the anti-gravity, guys. Do you see anti-gravity dictated a project I built using VS Code? It has dictated it here. I can easily launch it, guys. Remember, I have not started any project, but looking at the start screen, it has dictated the project I built using VS Code. So let me click on it. I need to trust this author and select yes, I trust the author. Anti-gravity has opened this project, and if you ask me, guys, you can see I can tell you that it is just a clone of VS Code with more integration. Okay, if you look at the extension, and you can access all the VS Code extension as well. So if I search for live server, say live server, you see live server is here, guys. So the live server that is popular in VS Code, so I can install live server and click trust the author. The same person that built for VS Code is also building for anti-gravity. So all the extension you already know in VS Code, you can access it here, guys. So you can install them and run your application. I will be using anti-gravity henceforth, guys, for development, since it is totally free. For now, it is totally free. I will be making use of it for our development. You can see it open my project, guys, so I can navigate around the HTML. This is the agent section. I'm going to close this place for now so that I will study the interface. When I finish done with the interface, I can be able to build my project with it. Let me open the terminal, guys. Okay, you can see it opened the terminal, so you can also access the terminal from here. I will not talk much about the interface, guys, because if you already know VS Code, you already know anti-gravity. This is the terminal, guys, and let me try to run this application that I started with VS Code. So it is already open in anti-gravity. Let me try to run it here. New run. Okay, this is a new application. I can't be able to run it now. The error cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on this system. I think the The reason why this error is showing, it is because I'm using PowerShell here, okay, and running script in the PowerShell is disabled by default. So what I'm going to do, guys, is to change the profile for this. I'm going to click here, display that says select default profile. I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to select Git Bash. You can also select command prompt. I've already installed Git Bash. There is a video tutorial where I show you how to install Git Bash and set it up, guys. The link to that video is going to be in this video, where you are going to learn how to install Git Bash and set it up in your system. So I'm going to select Git Bash here. It is going to be my default profile. Let me quickly close this terminal now and relaunch the terminal. You can see it is now a Git Bash. Let me try to run that command again. Neo run and see if it will work, guys. Do you see, guys, it is working? This is the application, guys, Task Manager. You can see new application that I built using VS Code is now launched in Antigravity. Okay, there is nothing much to study about Antigravity if you already know VS Code, guys. Okay, so you can see everything is working as expected. So that is how to install and navigate around Antigravity, guys. I will be making use of it so that you will know the powerful future AI integration that is available in Antigravity. In my subsequent development, I will be making use of Antigravity alongside VS Code. Thank you for watching this video.